The first screen you see in EJES is either the menu or the entry panel. You can choose your preference by selecting Set Primary Menu from the View menu on the action bar. The menu shows you the major functions you are authorized to use and the primary commands needed to invoke those functions from the command line, shown in all caps. The entry panel provides entry fields for defining the primary selection criteria used to filter your displays. Both panels provide a launching point for EJES access. You can get to the Options panel from the EJES menu. The Options panel provides a single location for tailoring various options that affect the behavior of your EJES session. After making your desired changes, you can return to the previous function using the END command, usually assigned to PF3. Tabular displays consist of data columns organized into rows. The job status display is an example. Each row in this display represents a job. On a tabular display, you can issue line commands or action characters in the command column at the extreme left. The columns on a tabular display consist of a fixed area and a scrollable area separated by a slash mark. When you scroll the display left to right, the fixed columns stay put. Depending on the display and your authorization, you can type over some columns. These input columns are denoted by a different color, usually red. Tabular displays support point-and-shoot sorting. Position your cursor on the column's heading, or underscore and press Enter to sort by that column in ascending order. Press Enter again to sort the data in descending order. You can also use the Sort dialog, displayed by choosing Sort from the View menu, for more sorting options. Notice that EJES supports up to 4 sort keys. EJES lets you filter your data in a number of ways. To set global filter criteria, you can return to the entry panel or stay where you are and choose primary selection criteria from the filter menu. Put in your criteria, you can use the wildcard character, an asterisk by default, then press Enter. Your selection will apply globally to all job and sysout group related displays. There are other more advanced filtering options in the additional selections and metafilter dialogues. It's easy to arrange the columns in a tabular display to meet your needs. Choose Arrange from the View menu. The Arrange dialog with a list of columns appears. Type an M next to the item you want to move. Then type an A for After or B for Before next to the place where you want to move your column. Press Enter and then use your End key to finish. Browse displays consist of lines of data. An example of a browse display is the Opera log. There are no columns on a browse display and therefore no fixed area. EJES makes it easy to find data on a browse display by using the Find command. On the command line, type F, then a space, then the string you want to find. When you press Enter, each matching string will be highlighted. Pressing the rFind key advances the cursor to the next matching string. Tabular and browse displays are scrollable. You can scroll down, up, right, and left using the scroll commands. For convenience, function keys are typically assigned to the 4 main scroll functions. To turn on Settings Notices, choose it from the Options menu. Settings Notices provide a comprehensive summary of filters, options, and view settings that might affect the current display.